Are you looking to make your TikTok account public so that anyone can see your videos? In this video, I'll show you how to switch your account from private to public in just a few simple steps. By making your account public, you'll be able to reach a wider audience and get more views on your videos. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how. To get started, open up the TikTok app and then tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you are on your TikTok profile, tap on the three lines at the top right corner of the screen. And then tap on Settings and Privacy. So the next thing you want to do is tap on Privacy. As you can see, the private account option is enabled. With a private account, only users you approve can follow you and watch your videos. Your existing followers won't be affected. So in order to make your TikTok account public, simply toggle this off. Tap on Switch. And now you have successfully switched your TikTok account from private to public. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.